Hello and good morning, everyone. Welcome again to CC Vlogs and Reviews. And this is Francis. And today, ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang review ko sa isang local perfume na I bought 1 month ago. What I liked about this perfume is amongst the many perfumes that I have, ito yung isa sa mga gustong-gusto ng aking wife. So, syempre, I'd like to give some inputs regarding this perfume and why siya gusto ng aking wife. Okay? So, let's go ahead and start the discussion. And the perfume that I'm talking about is Mango Venom ng Cotidiano. Alright? I hope I said the brand name correctly. Cotidiano. And I bought this from their online shop. And the cost is, or the price is around 760 pesos. So, the perfume itself comes in a very simple box, if I remember correctly, na kasing color din ang kanyang cap. And unfortunately, I threw it away, so I don't actually remember the packaging itself. But in terms of the perfume itself, ayan, nakita nyo, it's in a brown bottle, tapos meron siyang design sa harapan na sasabi Mango Venom. And it says it's our creation. It's I think God of Fire yung kanyang ginaya. So to be honest, I haven't had chance to own God of Fire and as well as have a chance to smell it. So personally, I don't have any idea kung ano talaga siya. So I got curious because online ang daming good feedback in terms of the perfume God of Fire, and as well as dito sa Pilipinas naman, madaming nagre-review at maraming bumibili ng Mango Venom. So, got curious, that's why I bought this. Okay, and additional things on the side, you can see it says accords, it says fruity, tropical, sweet, citrus, warm, spicy, and woody. And it says also on front, extract the perfume. So the concentration of the oil is very high on this one. Okay. So again, it's in a brown bottle. It's just I think very nice. It differentiates itself from the perfumes that you normally see in the market. Tapos meron siyang parang wooden cap. I don't know if it's really wooden because pag kinakapa ko siya, para siyang tulog plastic. Alright. And then the atomizer, the color is gold, and the sprayer itself is white. Okay. So it's in it's 50 ml. Okay. So as you can see, alos 1/4 na lang yung laman ng perfume. I've been using this a lot since gustong-gusto siya ng aking wife. Alright, so in terms of the atomizer or the sprayer, alright, ang ganda ng kanyang projection, as you can see. Alright, and one thing that I could say about this perfume is, in terms of the opening, amoy mo kagad na mango siya. And it's not the sweet mango na, alam mo yun, pagka binuksan mo siya, hinati mo siya, amoy matamis. Alright, this one, may pagka medyo maasim siya. In reality, actually, medyo amoy sa balok. Pag inamoy mo siya, and medyo woody, aromatic, and of course, yung citrusy all throughout. From the opening up until the mid of this perfume, yun nga, maamoy mo talaga yung kanyang pagka-citrusy and yung mango niya all throughout. Actually, even until the dry down, ganun pa rin ang amoy niya, consistent. That's what I really like about this. So, in terms of projection, in a small room, maamoy talaga siya. especially pag bagong spray mo siya. In terms of performance naman, maabot siya, I guess, around 6 to 7 hours based on my own skin. And pagka in-spray ko sa damit ko, yan, medyo mas matagal siya na naamoy mo. So for the price of 760 pesos for a 50 ml bottle, I think it's very much worth it. Ang masasabi ko sa kanya, if you get to see this in stock or if you see this available, you're thinking or you're curious about smelling like a like a mango, yeah, very good buy. I won't recommend it naman, of course, if you're not so much into fruity scents and you're not interested in smelling like fresh cut mango. Okay. So I think I could really say that it's really worth it. Okay, so I think that concludes our review for today. If you have any questions, suggestions about this review, just let me know down below in the comments. If ever you have any suggestions of local fragrances or ME fragrances that's currently available in our market, let me know also in the comment section para masubukan natin ma-review dito sa ating page or sa ating YouTube page. Alright? So again, this is Francis. Thank you so much for watching CC Vlogs and Reviews. I'll see you soon. Bye!